FordLogan woven wire mesh installation video on hinge door assembly. Begin by identifying where to place the door, whether it should hinge on the right or the left, and then if it should swing in or out. With a FordLogan universal door, it can be adjusted in the field for either position. For this video, we will show a 3-foot by 7-foot left hinge door swinging out.
Next, insert three 3/4 inch anti-telescoping devices on the left and right panels where the hinge and latch jambs will connect. The ATDs will prevent the C-channel frames from collapsing onto each other. However, if you are using a line post, both the latch jamb and the hinge jamb will attach directly to the line post itself. Next, place the latch jamb over the ATDs and insert it into the base shoe as shown here. Then bolt the latch jamb to the panel or the line post using a 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex head bolts.
Next, finger tighten each bolt with a 1/4 inch hex nut. This plan view details the bolts attaching to the latch jamb. Next, set the 3-foot by 7-foot universal hinge door on its side with the hinges facing up. Insert the 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch flat head screw in between the hinge flaps with the threads facing out. Attach the hinge jamb and secure with 1/4 inch hex nuts.
Next, attach the hinge jamb with the door to the left side panel and over the ATDs. Slide the hinge jamb into the base shoe and secure to the panel using a minimum of 4 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex head bolts. Then finger tighten with 1/4 inch hex nuts. If your door has a transom panel, the panel should have been installed at this point. If the door is full height, a cap bar called TCB4 above the door is needed. Center the cap bar above the door and bolt into the adjacent panels using 2 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch hex head bolts. There is a small flange on the cap bar. Align the flange opposite of the door swing. For example, if the door swings out, align the flange to the inside. If the door swings in, align the flange to the outside.
Also, if the hinge door ends at a wall clamp kit can be used on the hinge side, but not on the latch side. This concludes the FordLogan woven wire mesh installation video on hinge door assembly. If you have any questions, please contact us at 812-523-3044. Thank you.